Welcome. Today we'll create a simple digital timer app from Python perfect for beginners and those looking to refresh their skills, so let's get started. Now, we will open a folder to code and create the file Sunna-ik timer with extension .p. We know that import that allows you to include external modules or libraries in your code. So we import inbuilt module named time. This Python code creates a simple countdown timer. First, it imports the time module, which allows us to use time-related functions. The program then prompts the user to enter a countdown duration in seconds. This input is converted to an integer and stored in the variable myname. Next, the code enters a loop that counts down from the specified time to 1. Using the range function, it generates numbers starting from the entered time and decreases to 0. In each iteration, it prints the current number and then pauses for 1 second using the time-sleep-it function. This creates the countdown effect. Finally, when the loop completes and the countdown reaches 0, the program displays the message, "Time's up." This simple implementation demonstrates how to use loops and user input to create a functional timer. And that's it. You've built a basic countdown timer in Python. Congratulations, your code is now ready. Now let's check for output. This provides a clear visual of the countdown process followed by a notification that the timer has finished. Make sure to know about indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces or tabs used at the beginning of a line of code to define the structure and hierarchy in programming languages like Python. Now, let's move for advancing the same code updating new features. This same Python code tool creates a countdown timer that displays time in hours, minutes, and seconds. It begins by importing the time module, which allows the program to pause between updates. The user is prompted to enter a countdown duration in seconds, which is stored in the variable myTime. Next, the program enters a loop that counts down from myTime to 1. For each iteration, it calculates the remaining seconds, minutes, and hours using integer division and the modulus operator. The calculations are as follows. Second is determined by taking the current value of s and finding the remainder when divided by sati. Minute is calculated by dividing s by sati and using modulus to ensure it stays within sati. Hour is found by dividing s by 3000 sasai. The formatted time is printed in months format, ensuring each component displays 2 digits for clarity. After displaying the time, the program pauses for 1 second with time-sleep-it. Finally, when the countdown reaches 0, it prints the message "Time's up" to indicate the end of the timer. This provides a clear and user-friendly countdown experience.
Thanks for watching. I'm Nimesh. We just built a countdown timer together. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, follow, and check out my Facebook page, Error404. See you next time.